In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed an Instagram feed on a WordPress website. Whether you're a blogger, a business owner, or someone managing a personal site, adding your Instagram feed is a great way to showcase your latest posts and keep your content fresh and engaging. It's also a fantastic way to connect your audience across platforms, giving visitors a taste of your social media activity without leaving your site. In just a few simple steps, I'll guide you through the process, so you can have your Instagram feed up and running in no time. If you're new to WordPress, or if you don't already have an account, you can use the link in the description to sign up and get started. To begin, open your web browser and head over to the WordPress homepage. Once the page has loaded, look towards the top right corner of your screen and click on the Login button. This will take you to the WordPress login page. Here you'll see several options for logging in, but to make things as seamless as possible, select the Continue with Google option. By choosing this method, you can use your existing Google account to log in, which saves time and eliminates the need to remember an additional password. After selecting Continue with Google, you'll see a list of Google accounts associated with your browser. Simply click on the one you want to use, and WordPress will handle the rest. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to the WordPress administration area. Here's where the magic happens. Now locate the Quick Links section in your WordPress dashboard. This is a convenient area that gives you shortcuts to important actions. Within this section, click on the Edit Site option. This will bring you to the WordPress site editor, where you can make changes to your website's design and layout. The site editor is essentially your creative workspace, allowing you to customize your site and add new elements with ease. Once you're in the site editor, look towards the top left corner of the screen. You'll notice a plus icon. Click on it. This is your gateway to adding new blocks to your page. After clicking the plus icon, a search bar will appear. In this search bar, type Instagram. This helps narrow down the available options, so you'll only see blocks related to Instagram. From the search results, select the Instagram Embed block. This block is specifically designed to integrate Instagram content into your WordPress site, making the process straightforward and efficient. Once you've selected the block, click on it to add it to your page. You'll notice that the block appears as a placeholder on your page layout. Now, within the Instagram Embed block, you'll see a field where you can input your Instagram link. All you need to do is paste your Instagram feed link into this designated field. By doing this, you're essentially telling the block where to fetch content from, allowing it to display your Instagram posts directly on your site. Once you've pasted your link, click the Embed option to confirm your settings. This step connects your feed to the block, enabling WordPress to fetch and display your Instagram content. After a moment, you should see your feed load and appear on your site. If everything is set up correctly, your latest Instagram posts will now be visible to your site visitors. Keep in mind that your Instagram profile must be public for the feed to display correctly. If your profile is set to private, the content won't be accessible, and the block may not load as expected. So make sure to double-check your Instagram privacy settings if you run into any issues. And that's it. You've successfully embedded your Instagram feed on your WordPress website. This simple integration keeps your content dynamic and gives your site visitors a real-time look at your latest Instagram activity. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.